Hi guys, so in today's video, we're gonna make the carrot launcher from Plants vs. Zombies. It's not gonna look like the carrot launcher, but it's gonna work like a carrot launcher. It's gonna shoot a carrot, it's gonna shoot so far. Do not try this at school, like you're gonna get in trouble. So, okay, let's get right into it. So what you need is carrots and a bag. Okay, so let's get into it. So you'll need to blow up a bag and then put a carrot like that inside out. So it should look like this. And then put it, and then when you smack it, it's gonna like blow the carrot out. Like 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Holy. That's like faster than a Nerf gun. So yeah, that was kind of short, but that's all you have to do. I have like so much carrots. I'm gonna eat one. Okay, so we're gonna test it outside now. Okay, so we're outside, and these are the carrots, and Owen's the cameraman. Say hi. So, okay, so we blew up the bag. That's okay. So you put the carrot like that. Okay, and then point the camera. Okay, point the camera over there. Okay. I don't know if you'll see the carrot, but like point the camera like right there, and you'll see it like launch so far.
Oh yeah. Alright. Oh, it launched all the way over there. See that?
Guys, I didn't even use any of my power, and it still launched that far. So I'm gonna use all my power this time.
Oh
And
no.
it's gonna launch like so far. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Where'd it go? Oh.
Nope. Okay, so guys, the trick is to blow it up more, so then all the air will shoot out on the carrot. Okay.
Where? Oh my God. My God, bro. My God.
Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so this is what he looks like. What he looks like fully. Like he was just like that. Okay, so I'm filming right now, and if you do it hard enough, the bag will break. So like don't do your full power. But like if you do it your full power, then like it shoots super far.
It did break.
Yeah, it did break. But we still have a lot of carrots. By the way, they're reusable unless the carrots snap. So, that's good. That's probably gonna be the end of the video.
So yeah, that's how you make a carrot launcher.
Yep, that's how you make a carrot launcher. Subscribe.